Hey members, I thought I'd show you how to make vanilla extract. This is actually the very first time I'm doing it. I got these beans from Costco. Actually, these beans came from Costco. But it's super easy to make. You really just need vanilla beans. You need some kind of alcohol, either vodka or brandy. You can use some other flavors too, I think, but brandy or vodka are pretty much the two ones you want to use. Or like the two most popular, I should say. So I'm going to show you exactly what to do here. Oh, the vanilla beans smell so good. I haven't even opened it yet, and the smell's already coming through. I got these like 6 months ago, and I've just kept it completely sealed. All right, let's open it. Oh man, oh, it's crazy. Oh, it's a crazy good smell. Oh my gosh. These beans are beautiful. They're just beautiful. They're still really good. So what we need to do is take it with our knife and then just slit it down just like that. There we go. You just want to open it up so it properly extracts all the yumminess. And then some people say you want to take out all the seeds if you don't want the flecks in it. I don't mind. So you just want to open it up. Oh, look at that yumminess. Oh man. I don't know if you could see how beautiful this is. But yeah. They're all in my jar here. I'm going to use a funnel because I don't think I'm that good of a pourer. All right, but I'm going to just show you. So we just want to make sure that they're all fully covered, and I decided to do it just a little bit more just to see like how much it'll do, like how much it'll infuse. Now the question is, how long do we let it sit? And there's so many different answers to this. It's based, some people say like 2 weeks, some say 6 months, like everybody says something different. But the one thing that I saw was you cannot leave this in here too long. So like if you left it in there for a year, okay, it's not gonna change, it's not gonna make it any more robust, it's not gonna make it gross, it's not gonna do anything. Basically, once it's done infusing, it's done infusing, period. So that could take a few days, it'll take a few weeks, whatever, just however long it takes these beans to infuse. So you want to keep it in a dark, cool place in the meantime, and just check on it like once a week, every couple weeks. If you forget about it, it doesn't matter. You know what I mean? So I will show you what it looks like after it's done infusing. It has been 4 months later, and I am checking my vanilla. I can't believe how fast 4 months goes. I started this on July 10th, and it is now November 10th, and I'm checking the vanilla. I mean, look at it. It just looks beautiful and dark. I had it in a dark place. And I did put, from the original video that I showed, I did put extra vanilla beans in it, just because I thought that 4 was not enough. Let's see if I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like lots more in there now. It's really glary. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a good picture there. Lots more vanilla beans in there. So I did, I think, a total of maybe 10 to 14, something like that. So I did way more vanilla beans. Now I'm gonna open it and smell it. I can't wait. Oh, need a little pop. Ooh, it smells really good. Ah, it smells like every vanilla. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. This is such a good Christmas gift. Now, of course, I may be a little late. Like if I wanted to pour this into tiny little bottles for friends and family, I could. Now my next mission is to get my own vanilla bean plant. It's actually an orchid, and it's like, I hear it's kind of high maintenance, but wouldn't that be so cool to grow your own vanilla beans? Very cool. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. That was just a quick how to make your own vanilla. I mean, look how much vanilla I made. This will last me a long time. Vanilla just doesn't go bad as far as I know. I've never heard of vanilla ever going bad. If you have, let me know, but I've never ever heard that. So this will last me a very long time. I use a lot of vanilla, but this will last me a long time. Plus, great gifts if you can get it done for maybe next year at this point. Thank you all so much for watching Conquer Tomorrow by Preparing Today. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.